damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mansfield, South Mansfield, Pelican, Ramsden, and Evelyn. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for a portion of Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: DeSoto,